Welcome to Ottomed Endoscopy. Today I am presenting SmartEye-II Plus video endoscopy system. This is SmartEye-II Plus video processor offering best-in-class features. The key features is having inbuilt image recording as well as video recording facility. You can save the recorded video and capture still images into this external device or pen drive. Then there are 6 different types of endoscopes are compatible with the same single video processor. You can connect gastroscope, colonoscope, bronchoscope, ureteroscope, cystoscope and veterinary endoscopes. There is a smart white balance cap facility is there. This is the inbuilt white balance cap. You don't need to attach the external white balance cap. This is very compact. The fiberless LED additive technology with the Ottomed Endoscopy systems make this video processor very compact and lightweight, so easy to carry anywhere. Now we see the connection of this video processor. This is a rear panel of video processor. It's having the power socket. There are 2 DVI D signal connections, 1 HD SDI connections, and 1 remote control socket is there for the calibration purpose. So I have done the power supply cable connection and video signal cable connection. The output from video processor is connected to input of this monitor. Now I am connecting this water container and this pen drive. So whatever you capture and images or the recording video is directly saved to your pen drive. This is S2 Plus Gastroscope. Fiberless LED additive technology. This is a front switch panel for this S2 Plus video processor. So there are white balance function is there, a gain on-off control, enhancement setting is there for the low, medium and high, pump setting is there for the low and high, image zooming facility is there, then light on-off, image recording and video recording buttons. Now next we see how to connect a video gastroscope. I am connecting this Ottomed video gastroscope. Model number is OVG S2 Plus. So this is a ultra light waterproof connector. This is a single step connector. I am connecting this to video processor. The video processor model number is OVP S2 Plus. So this is a connection. This is a single step connection. You can attach water container here. There is a nickel test port is there, and can connect the suction tube here for the suction port. I am switching on this monitor. Now I am switching on this video processor. To switch this processor, you have to press a power switch. LED, the green LED glows. It takes 4 to 5 seconds to reproduce and start this video processor. You can see now the image mask has come. Now I am starting this light of the endoscope. There is a fiberless LED additive technology in all Ottomed endoscopes. This is a smart white balance inbuilt cap. just doing a white balance. You can see the LED is go on for the white balance. It goes off, that means your white balance is completed. You can select again. You can change, you can select whatever enhancement settings you want. Then pump low and high. You can zoom your image. You can see the image size it changes, the mask size it changes. Then there is an inbuilt image recording and video recording facility. If I press this image recording button, then the light will go to glow on, and once it off, that means your image is directly saved in pen drive. If I press this video recording, then your video recording will start and directly save in your pen drive. So now our video recording is completed. We are pressing this button again, video recording button again. Now your LED goes off. That means your recording is saved in your pen drive. So there are 3 remote switches in this video endoscope. So if I press this switch number 1, then you can see that your image gets freeze. If you press it again, then it again start moving. Then I am pressing this switch 2. This switch 2 is to set enhancement settings, and if you press switch 3, then it records your still image. You can see the LED goes on and now off. That means your image is directly saved in your pen drive. So if you switch off this video processor, you just press this button. Now your video processor is turned off. So this is a complete setup of SmartEye-II Plus video endoscopy system. Thank you.